Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you 2 ways to clean up junk on Drive C on a Windows 11 computer. Manual and automatic garbage removal. The first is how to clean up trash manually. You enter the word disk cleanup into the search box of the window, and the application appears. Click to select it.to open it up. If it appears, leave it as default. And select OK. And the application will calculate and display the disk cleanup for the C window. Here, you tick all the items in the File to Delete box. These are temporary files and updated files. Then select Enter. In the Cleanup Systems file box, it will display the original C drive folder. Select OK to continue. The machine will scan again. Files that need to be deleted, wait for the scanner to scan. After scanning, the disk cleanup window will appear again. Check again. Are there any folders that have not been ticked to delete? When selected, it will display the total amount of space that can be freed for the drive. My computer regularly cleans trash, so it will be small, but if your computer doesn't clean trash for a long time, it can be up to several gigabytes. Next, select OK to proceed. A notification will appear. Select Delete Files to clean up trash. The application will automatically cleans and automatically turns off when finished. Continue, click on the window icon, and select Settings. In the System section, when you select the Storage section, the data stored on your computer's C drive will appear. Continues to be the way. To clean up trash. Manually select the App and Features section. Here are the applications installed on your device. You see the application. If you don't use it, uninstalling that application will increase the free space on your drive. After uninstalling the applications is not necessary, then return to this window and select the Temporary Files section. Here are also junk files. If you want to delete downloaded folders and files in the Download section, then tick the Download box. Otherwise, you do not want to delete. Tick it, I'll just delete it. So I'll tick it because the download folder is also on Drive C, so it takes up some space. After selecting, select Remove File to delete those files. A message will appear warning you to delete the entire folder. Download, select Continue to continue. The computer will delete all those files. That's how to clean up trash manually. To have the machine automatically clean up trash. Also, in this backup section, select the Storage Sense section. Here, the default mode is Mode. Off degree. To automatically turn on mode, you choose to turn on mode, which means that when you choose this mode, after the set time, then the computer will automatically clean up trash on Drive C. There are 3 items here. The first item will run according to the settings with those modes. When disk space is low, it will automatically clean up. Or other modes, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your choice. When you choose daily, weekly, or monthly, the computer will automatically start at the time you set. Clean Drive C. The second item deletes files or folders in the trash. Similar to the above item, it also has time periods for you choose, or never delete when you choose never. The third item is also similar to item 2, but these are files. The file you have downloaded is saved in the Download section. Depending on your choice of whether you want to delete it over a period of time or not. Delete setting: the song will automatically delete it after the time you set it up. To delete immediately, select Go to Run Storage Sense now. And the device will immediately delete the items you set up above. Because my computer just deleted it manually. The first way should be that there are no files or folders to delete. Those are the ways to clean up C drive junk on your computer. If you find it interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Goodbye, and see you again.